Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Veeqo shipping. First, open the Veeqo website and log in to your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top right corner and click on Settings. After that, click on General. On the left side, you will see a full menu with all the main features. The first section is Channels. Click on Connect a Channel. Here you can connect your sales platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and many other channels. Choose the platform you want, log into your account, and give permission. After connecting, your orders and products will start syncing into Veeqo. Next, go to the shipping section. Here you can connect different shipping methods like Amazon shipping or FedEx. To use them, you need to connect your shipping account to Veeqo. After that, open the fulfillment section. Here users can buy labels only after packing the order if this option is enabled. This helps make sure orders are packed before shipping. Next is the printing template section. Here you can find templates like invoice, packing slip, and shipping label. You can adjust these templates based on your needs. Then go to the devices section. In this area, you can set up your printer, scales, and scanner. This makes the shipping process faster and more accurate. After that, there is the location section. Here you can see your current warehouse location and add other locations if needed. Next is email templates. You can see templates for shipping confirmation, order cancellation, and order refund. You can also add shortcuts to save time. Finally, go to the inventory section. Here you can manage all the products in your inventory and keep stock updated. Thanks for watching.